So I just want to make my own lids or cover for my aquarium. I pick up this one some of the place at my work. This one is like they use for signboard. It's a clear one, and I get a little bit longer and wider. So I just gonna already put some mark there, dots, and after that I'm gonna cut it straight. Use the drill first to make some hole there so that I know where we're gonna go, we're gonna start to cut it. And the good thing when it's clear, even the top, you can see it too. But if you have the black from before, this one, you're gonna see the top. And the reason why I buy this kind of filter too, so that I can put flat in the top, the hanging in filter. So let's cut it this one and do some improvement. So all we need to do is cut the both sides of this plastic clear. I use this, I fabricate a T-square to make it straight, and only the cutter, that's the tools you need. Use cardboard so that it's not damage your floor or table, whatever used to cutting. So I already cut it, so let's show you how this one is look on the top, but it's not done yet. I'm gonna do a lot of things first before this one's complete. So I already cut the clear plastic, both ends, corner, it's sharp, so it's very aligned. And I put the light first on the top, and you can see everything is clear now. You see the side, back, left side, right side, and most especially the top. You can view now too, not like before. If you use the black lids there or the cover or whatever you call, or canopy, something like that. So now I need to line this one up so that I can make a hole so that this one's lay flat. But I just gonna put this one in the middle. If I look at it, ball eye it's not in the middle, so I need to move this one in the right and move this shipwreck a little bit forward so that I have some space there to move. So I'm gonna do that later soon today. So already do the first move there. I already make the hole, so now I can adjust the flow of the water. And now I just try to cut it off, the opening of the wire. This one. That is when I put some tape so that it not scratch when you cut it. And the other opening for the light too, just gonna cut that off too. So I already cut the opening for the wire, but I use this steel saw, hacksaw. But the thing is I can feel this one's brittle, it's gonna be cracked. So I just use this soldering iron so that I can just touch this one and remove this part right here. I think this is the one that is good to use. It's sharp and it's like a blade too. So wait until this one is really hot and then try to cut the cover. So they never give me a positive result. As you can see, it's not too good, so maybe I'm gonna use this one. I use by dots. So already make the cut, but it's gonna use a file here to make a little bit cleaner. And after that, I just gonna cut some here like hole, so that when I do some feed to the fish, I just grab that opening there and drop the food there. So let's do that right now. So I already do my cut there. So that's the middle. Let's cut that one right now. So I just use that soldering iron again, and to make a hole there so that it prime the drill. Now as you can see, I already have guide there, and now try to use this drill to make this one a hole there. So I didn't have the luck to cut it. I broke the piece, but I still weld it using soldering iron to connect it to the other again. So this one and that one, and I just gonna convert this one to cut it here to make an opening. So that's the opening for if I feed my fish. I just put some little bit stopper for that cover. So I already glue it out, so I already have stopper. So if you have something to glue, this one is highly recommended, BSI Bob Smith. It's set up for 5 minutes, so really quick. Now wait until this one dry and put there, and let's see what's the result. This glue, it dries clear, transparent, so there's no any stain that you can see there. And now that's the opening. You just drop it like there and hold to pell in your aquarium. I already put some handle there to grab it. So now it's done. So the hole, it's actively perform right, good, because I just feed my fish. And to put this one back, just put it like that, and you already have cover. And you have things to grab it too when you try to pull it out the cover or the canopy. You can put the light on the top, or you can put it in a very bottom. The problem is it touched the edge of the cover and a little bit not aligned. So this one, it's very, see, all the corners, it sit right. So even the wires too. Now it's very clean. If you want to adjust your prop water, you can just adjust it there. You need to remove your cover. So I think it's a successful project. So I just get this one in my work. So just hang in there and I grab it. So I clean it and I make it a lids. So you can do it too. Thanks for watching. That's designed by me. So hope you like it. You can follow that one too if you like it. It's very clean now. When you get to my door, you don't see any filter hanging out here. So that's why I make that design. And then it's very silent too, quiet. You're not gonna hear nothing. So I like this 5 to 10 Action from just bought it on Walmart. Buy 2 there if you want. I'm not sure if you can buy this one online. They have different packaging, but I think it's the same how it works. Now I think it's better to put the light on the top so that the lids, it's sit there nice. And I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. I'm out.